Hello everyone, Pedro here with GetResponse. In this video I want to show you how simple it is to assign your subdomain to a landing page. And the first step that you have to take is to go to your profile on the top right, manage account, and then landing page domains. This is where we will click to add a domain. In this case we will be adding a subdomain, and the name I will give is promo. You can give any name, can be sales, whatever your subdomain is. And here you add your domain. Mine is simplesetup.xyz. Click add domain. Now it is added and we go to our landing page, or menu landing pages. And we will go to the settings here. Edit settings. Scroll to the bottom and assign your own domain. You will see your domain subdomain here. You'll click and then you save at the bottom. Once that's done, you have to access your domain provider. Mine is GoDaddy. I have it open here and we just click on it. This is the main screen that you will see if you have GoDaddy and you are logged in, and your domains will appear and you just have to scroll. And my domain is simplesetup.xyz and DNS settings. Here they are. Just click on it. And this will apply to any domain provider. You just need to find the DNS settings. And we want to add a CNAME. So let's go here to add, type CNAME, host. It will be the name of your subdomain. In my case was promo. If you have a different name, it will be a different name. And points to squeeze. I already have it here. .great.com. This will be the same for everyone as it is our subdomain for landing pages in GetResponse. So you will use this as well. You can see more information in the FAQ about it. And it's just that. You just click save. And the next step is to wait. It can take up to 48 hours. But once it's done, it will look as in here. It will show active and it will show the padlock here. If it is not green, you just go here to the three vertical dots and you will click to assign SSL to activate it. But that's it, everyone. It's a simple process. It looks more complicated than it is. And I hope that now you will assign your subdomain to your landing pages. And I wish you a great day.